I gotta tell you, Kevin, I've only done one other Pinto on the show in 30 years time.
Oh,
But this is just too cool. I just couldn't pass this up. This thing is beautiful. I mean, this is like a brand new 1973 Pinto.
well, I try to keep it up to par, so car shows keep me humble. So,
So how long have you had it?
10, 11 years, I think now.
So are you a Pinto guy or?
Well, my first car was a Pinto back in high school, and when I turned 50, I thought, it might be kind of fun to get another one, and I'm not sure that was a wise decision, but it turned out okay.
Well, you know, they got a bad rap with the whole exploding thing, which is unfortunate. But they're actually really nice little cars. They're fun to drive.
Yeah.
And they did rust, but this one is so amazingly clean. Is this a Western car or something? California car.
Yeah, I drove it 2 hours to get over here today, and it just really drove nice. So,
okay, so where are you from?
Pasco.
Oh, okay,
So
sure. Pasco, Washington.
Yeah.
And is this the original color combo?
Yes, right.
What'd they call it, do you know?
I really don't. I was looking for that today and I couldn't find it. I've just gone for tan.
Beige, it's kind of beige.
Yeah,
tan,
beige,
whatever.
tan, right.
Yeah. And you know, the chrome on it's good. Have you done all of that too?
Just the bumpers.
Okay.
The rest of it is pretty much the way it came.
I can't believe it. And how about did it come with a vinyl top?
Yes, yeah.
Wow, I didn't even know they came with vinyl tops.
Yeah, some of them did. They had a couple of different models that they came out with that's more sporty that had the vinyl top.
And that's the original vinyl too?
When I bought it, it was. So I don't know. It looked like they probably had it redone just before I got it.
Because it looks so good.
Well, I keep a garage, so
yeah,
that helps.
Do you drive it much?
Yeah, when I get it up and running, it gets me around and I enjoy it. No air conditioning in this right now, so.
Oh, that's not a lot of fun.
The summertime, it gets a little bit warm.
How many miles?
It's turned over once or twice. I assume twice. Yeah.
What do you mean? You mean like 200,000 miles?
At least, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's so clean.
I just had it detailed last week, and the guy said that that's nice. You've only got 100 miles on there. Apparently, it just turned over. So.
And maybe for the second time.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah. I'm
really?
guessing, yeah.
Well, how about, so the interior must have been redone, right?
It looked pretty much like this. I've redone the carpet just because it had that 50-year-old car smell.
Yeah, yeah.
And then somebody had keys at one point, had the back of the driver's seat.
Oh, okay.
Redone. But everything else is pretty close to the way it was when I bought it.
Wow. Wow.
So,
Jeez, I mean, I just can't believe this. The condition. And these actually look like pretty comfortable seats.
Yeah, they are. They really are. Yeah, as I've gotten bigger, they're not quite as comfortable as they used to be.
Yeah, right. Well, yeah. Yeah, this is a small car for a guy your size.
It is, yeah.
It is, right.
A little bit.
But what fun. Man, you just don't see Pintos at all. And if you do, they're ratted out, rusted out.
Right.
And this thing is just immaculate. I just can't believe it.
Well, part of the reason I bought it was it had matching numbers, they claimed.
Really, the whole?
Yeah,
wow.
Right. So that's one of the reasons I bought it as well, was that's so rare for these. You know, usually people dropped 302s, 289s in them or something.
Anything. Yeah.
I would have liked to have done that when I was a kid, but I didn't have any money. So.
And now you've wised up.
Yeah, right.
So
I don't need it. Yeah.
Now you don't need it. And so this is re-chromed. Just the rest of this is just buffed up, eh?
Right, yeah.
Man, oh man. And pretty much let's look like the stock wheel covers too?
It is.
Hubcaps?
Yep.
Well, are those 13-inch wheels, or how big are those?
13s, yeah.
13s?
Yeah, I went and got those from Coker.
Uh-huh.
So
narrow white wall.
You're right.
I mean, this is just so cool. I love this. And so how do people react to it?
Usually the first thing that people say is, you don't see these much anymore. That's usually the first thing people say. Or then they get into, Dad had one, Mom had one,
right.
I used to have one. So that's kind of neat. You hear some really fun stories of people's lives and how they wrapped around these cars. So that's always kind of neat to hear.
I mean, a lot of people have had a brush with a Pinto at some time or another. And actually, you came down with a buddy who's got a Pinto wagon, which is probably even more rare. But they were fun cars, and again, that got kind of a bad rap. So you didn't drop a 289 or a 302 in it, so let's go see what that original engine looks like.
All right.
Oh, hood prop, yep. I had a 70 Maverick, it had hood prop too.
Oh, right, yeah.
So this is a 2000cc two barrel.
Yes.
4-cylinder.
Right.
It looks great inside too. Has it been rebuilt, or do you know?
Yeah, I did have the engine rebuilt,
Oh,
and
really?
then
Okay.
I've slowly been kind of replacing pieces just to keep the look proper. And then the tranny I had to have replaced, or rebuilt, sorry. But most of it's just been a matter of replacing parts that are old or getting pretty nasty looking, and just
Can you
try to
find
keep
everything for it still?
Yeah, sometimes you can find stuff on eBay. Occasionally O'Reilly's will have things for it. Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, still get stuff on there. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
That looks like a pretty easy engine to work on.
It is. If I had skills, I would probably be able to do work on that, but I break bolts off in the block. That's the kind of thing I do.
I
so.
hate that. That's really hard to recover from, I gotta tell you. Well, this is a really fun car. Close it back up. I just really dig this car. And have you had fun at the show today?
Yeah, it's been a great time. A lot of great people.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
Did you get a lot of attention?
It did. It got usually it's pretty good attention when I take it to car shows, but yeah, there's like I said, a lot of really good people here.
Yeah.
A lot of good people giving advice on cars and tips, and it really helps.
Yeah, it sure does. Well, I dig it.
Well,
1973 Pinto with a factory vinyl top.
It does.
I love it. Kevin, thanks for bringing it out, man.
Thank you.